Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your credit card on Domino's Pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to remove your credit card on Domino's Pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's Pizza app. Once you open up your app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner, we're going to see the three white lines. Make sure you tap on those three white lines on the upper right-hand corner. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, make sure you look on where it says your name. Also, it says welcome to Domino's. Make sure you tap on the profile right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, make sure you look on where it says saved payment information. Saved payment information. Make sure you tap on that. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. As you see, like your current card right there. What you're gonna do, make sure you slide your card on the left. Just slide your card on the left like that. Then you're gonna say delete right there, and make sure you tap on delete. Make sure you tap on delete right there. Then they're gonna ask you to type delete. Make sure you type delete. So once you type delete, make sure you tap on where it says delete right there. Tap on delete right there. And that's how you remove your credit card on Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.